Grab the umbrella. We've got a lot of rain heading our way this week. Some of it could be heavy and may lead to some issues. Find out what we're expecting in this edition of the Bluegrass Weather Report. Hello there, friends. Meteorologist Shane Smith here with you. It is Tuesday, January 17th, 2023. Hope you're doing well, and we've got a lot of weather to talk about. We've saw rounds of showers and thunderstorms crossing in the Bluegrass during Monday of Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and we've got plenty more rain to go, so let's not waste any time. Go to the current look of Radar Omega, and we are looking at the state of Kentucky. It is right around 11 o'clock Monday night as I record this, and we are dealing with scattered showers and a few embedded thunderstorms across the Bluegrass this evening. That's all thanks to a frontal system currently sitting off to the west. It is going to cross the region tonight, bring us a few more showers early on Tuesday, and I think by Tuesday afternoon we should begin to clear on up and see improving conditions across the Commonwealth. Let's map it all out for you with the North American Mesoscale model, and it will show you that as we go through the overnight hours, those showers and thunderstorms will continue, and by 7 a.m., as most of us are heading out to work or school, you'll see the scattered showers, mainly south central and southeastern Kentucky, and by lunchtime, most of the rain should be out of the area. We'll see drying conditions, and that will keep us going all the way through the first half of Wednesday. But by Wednesday afternoon, our next storm system approaches the Commonwealth. You can see by 3 o'clock local time in Paducah on Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms breaking out. Same story over towards Owensboro. Bowling Green, just in time for the evening commute home around 5 o'clock. E-Town, Louisville, between 6 and 7 your time. And then those storms will continue to push eastward overnight into early Thursday. And some of those could even be on the stronger side with some pretty heavy rain embedded. In fact, the NAM model showing about an inch to an inch and a half from Paducah to Evansville over towards Louisville as we go through Thursday at 6 a.m. Central Time. Now, because of this, we do have a little interesting feature out there. The Weather Prediction Center has put us under a slight and marginal risk for excessive rain. The marginal area is in the green. That includes places like Campbellsville, Bowling Green, Danville, Paris, Cynthiana, Maysville. And that means that there is a small chance of flash flooding on early Thursday morning. Now, the area is in yellow under a slight risk of that. That includes Mayfield, Murray, Paducah, Madisonville, Hopkinsville, Morganfield, Owensboro, Bowling Green, E-Town, Louisville, all the way up towards the greater Covington area. Frankfort and Owington also included in that. And with that, that is a slightly higher risk of flash flooding on Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. And it wouldn't surprise me if that may get carried eastward once the new outlook comes out tomorrow to include portions of central Kentucky, just how it works out with the timing. But I do think there is that potential, at least, of some flash flooding in central Kentucky. And that's because there is going to be plenty of heavy rain. Check this out. Here is the GFS models. Same storm system, but it's showing just a pretty good little band of moderate to heavy rain coming through central and northern Kentucky late Wednesday and early Thursday morning, and then pushing those thunderstorms through during the morning hours on Thursday. Then behind it, maybe a little wraparound precipitation, a little bit of light rain, maybe a flurry or two. We'll keep things dry Friday and Saturday, and then on Sunday, we develop a new low pressure system coming out of the lower plains and the deep south, and depending on how this thing tracks and develops, we could see more rain to maybe even a little snow Sunday into Monday. And then it looks like another big system towards the middle of next week develops, and that one has a very potent look to it. Once again, that would be next Wednesday. So still a lot of time for that to develop, but it is something we will watch very closely. Now, let's take another look at this, but through the eyes of the European forecast model. It's showing the rain wrapping up early tomorrow morning with our first system. Next system arrives late in the day Wednesday, carries us through Thursday morning. Not as much wraparound precipitation. And then we see that area of low pressure develop off to our southwest on Sunday. And then Sunday night, into Monday, dealing with more heavy precipitation. And then once again, big looking storm system middle of the following week afterwards. A lot to take in there, but it's a loaded weather pattern. And this is the total rainfall going through Sunday from the GFS model. And it's showing pretty much an inch or two statewide with some isolated pockets heavier. Similar story on the European forecast model. So a lot of rain heading our way over the next several days. Once again, chances overnight and early Tuesday morning, as you're likely watching this, that'll taper off. Wednesday, the rain returns late in the day. Western Kentucky should arrive in Eastern Kentucky early Thursday. We'll push all that out by Thursday afternoon. And then another chance Sunday into Monday. And then another system that looks like the middle of next week. So 3 or 4 big storm systems all rolling through a very active pattern. And each one's going to start pulling a little bit more cold air down from Canada, and that may be enough to start swinging the pattern back over to some wintry precipitation by the middle of next week. That's something we're going to keep a close eye on. But in the meantime, a lot of heavy rain. Be sure to stay weather aware, especially Wednesday night into Thursday morning, as we do have that potential for some high water problems. And I will try to get another video out probably on Wednesday this week addressing that. So in the meantime, hope you take care and stay weather aware.